everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Summer. If you've ever wondered how often should I wash my hair, how to use dry shampoo, and how to wash your hair the correct way, keep watching because you won't want to miss this video. So a lot of people are all over the place with what they feel is too long to go between washes, how soon you should be washing, and then comes the lovely topic of dry shampoo. So although everyone is entitled to their own preference and what works for them, there is also a fine line between washing your hair too often or not enough. So if you are someone who is daily working out, but let's say it's all indoors so you're not sweating to your full potential, no, you don't need to wash your hair when you get home. A little bit of sweat on your scalp is not going to harm your hair or spread all the way down through your ends. Now, if you are someone working out outside or even indoors, but you're going hard and you find yourself coming home with your head fully soaked with sweat, then yes, obviously wash your hair. And if you're someone who is in the middle where maybe you have more dampness in your nape or along your hairline, you can easily get away with just restyling your hair, going very light on dry shampoo in those areas, post shampoo like day one, and then go from there. So let's talk a little bit on dry shampoo. Dry shampoo is great, but it's often overused to avoid washing your hair. And too much of a good thing can be bad. Dry shampoo, when overused, can actually clog your scalp, resulting in possible hair loss. If you are somebody who rocks dry shampoo for 4 days in a row and you're finding when you brush or wash your hair that gobs of hair is coming out in your hands, give it a rest on the dry shampoo. My general rule of thumb is I don't like to go more than 2 days of using dry shampoo. And if you hear that and you're like, Summer, that is crazy, my suggestion would be to plan accordingly then with your shampoos. So if you wash your hair, let's say on Sunday night, maybe Monday morning, either do a lighter workout or put off your exercise until Monday evening. That way you're getting a full day of not having to use any dry shampoo. Then on Tuesday, you can up your exercise, focus using the dry shampoo in just key areas, and then Wednesday, you can rely on using your dry shampoo everywhere and then wash again either Wednesday night or Thursday morning. Now, I know that there are some of you who are probably like, that's disgusting to not wash your hair every day. And for some of you, that easily can actually be true, but the average person does not need to shampoo their hair every single day. If you find that you are someone who has to wash their hair every day because it just gets so oily or greasy, try giving yourself at least 2 full weeks of starting off by washing your hair every other day and then adding on additional days between washes. So go 1 day shampoo, 1 day no washing, 1 day shampoo, 2 days no washing, and so forth. Most people feel the need to wash their hair every day because it's too oily or greasy, and if you're not doing anything strenuous to cause the oiliness, it's being produced because your hair, it's essentially an overdrive. It's trying to balance itself out because you're almost like stripping all the oils out of your hair every time you wash it. I find that the 2-week mark is an ideal time frame for your hair to adjust and balance out. That way you can go longer in between washes. And then if you're someone who washes every day and you're not finding your hair to be extra oily or dried out or rough feeling, then honestly just keep doing what you're doing. Your hair will let you know if you need to adjust your routine. So tips on how to wash your hair properly. Even though most stylists will ring all the time home to you, wash your hair in cold water, cold water. I actually prefer to wash my hair in more lukewarm water. If the water is too cool, your cuticle, it's not opening up and you're not going to get as much cleansing as you need on your scalp. You want to focus scrubbing just your scalp and not so much working the shampoo through your ends. As you rinse your hair, your ends are going to get the cleansing that they need. You need to wash your hair 2 to 3 times depending on how dirty your hair is. So if you're going on day 4 or 5 before washing, you probably need 3 washes. Anything less than that, typically just 2. And if you're someone who insists on washing every day, even when you don't need it, literally just 1 shampoo, or you can honestly just scrub your scalp with either your fingertips or a very light conditioner just to kind of give you that clean feeling. And then of course, after you have cleansed your hair, you're gonna put your conditioner, focus it on your ends, work your way up, just lightly coating the scalp. I like to wash my hair first, put my conditioner in, wash my body, shave, and then always rinse your conditioner out on cool. That's what's gonna seal in the moisture and add some shine to your hair. Last tip too for washing, if you are someone like me who is heavy-handed with products, I really recommend using a clarifying shampoo at least once a month just to get any of that buildup off of your hair. I really like Kristen S. clarifying shampoo. It gets the job done while being gentle, and it's free of a lot of those harsher chemicals that are often found in clarifying shampoos. So key points of the video: try going light on your first workout post-washing. Day 1 of using dry shampoo, just focus it in set areas like either your hairline, the nape, or your crown. Try not to use dry shampoo in general for more than 2 days in a row to avoid clogging your scalp. Focus on scrubbing just your scalp when washing over your ends. Wash in lukewarm water, rinse and cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that it helps some of you out. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys next week.